Welcome back. In this session, we will see about the types of files in Java. Now, whenever we open the file or text file or any file, a cursor gets blinked at the particular position. That cursor is known as a file pointer, which is the location or the latest position where the work is being done. Now, that file pointer is having its own place when we are opening the file. Now, suppose if we are opening the file in the input mode or read mode, there are two possibilities. Whichever file we are trying to open, if that file already exists or that file name does not exist. So, suppose if we want to open test.txt file in the input mode or read mode, and if that file exists with few contents in it, so what will happen, the contents will be kept as it is and the file pointer will be at first place, so that we can start reading from the zeroth position in the input mode or read mode. Now, second possibility, if you are trying to open test.txt file and if that file does not exist and you want to read from that file, so it will throw an exception that file not found. Now suppose if we want to open file in the output mode or write mode, again there are same possibilities. If we are opening the test.txt file in the output mode or write mode, if that file already exists with few contents in it, then the previous contents will be deleted and the file pointer will be at first place for writing from zeroth position with fresh start writing. Second possibility, if that file does not exist, the new file will be created and the file pointer will be at the first position, zeroth position for fresh writing. Now, these types of operation where the file pointer is by default at zeroth position in the input mode as well as in the output mode. Such type of files are known as the sequential files. Now we have implemented these sequential files and we have seen even if you are opening file in the input mode or read mode, the file pointer is at zeroth position. If you are opening file in the write mode, the file pointer is at zeroth position itself. If there are contents that will be deleted and still the cursor or file pointer will be at zeroth position. It means we cannot jump randomly at any position in the sequential file. To overcome this drawback in Java, we have another type of file, that is random access file. We can move the file pointer randomly at any position in the random access file for reading or writing purpose. Now, how these types of files are implemented in Java? So, these sequential access files does not allow to read from any arbitrary position or to write to any arbitrary position in the file. We have to go sequentially only from zeroth position itself, either in reading or writing mode. But in the random access file, we can randomly jump to any position for reading as well as for writing position in the writing mode by moving file pointer to any position. The sequential files we have implemented by using file reader, file writer, file input stream, and file output stream class. So, whenever you are opening file in the read mode or write mode by using any of the class from these four classes, the file will be treated as a sequential file. So, it means you have to read sequentially from zeroth position, you have to write sequentially from zeroth position itself. Now for creating random access file, we have to create object of random access file in Java. So how that object can be created? Random access file object name is equal to new random access file. In bracket, we have to give the file name or we can give the object of file class, and second parameter is file mode. The file mode can be R for reading only or it can be RW for read write operation both. Now The method which is used to move the file pointer in the random access file to any position is seek method. In bracket, we have to give the position number where our file pointer can be moved for reading or writing purpose. Now suppose we will implement one program using random access file. Now suppose in the bin folder we will check is there any file exist with the text. Yes, there is abc.txt file having few contents in it. Suppose these are the already existing contents. Now we want to write contents suppose to the any random position in this file. So we have to open this abc.txt file in the random access file mode. If we open this file for writing purpose either by using file writer class or by using file output stream class, then it will be treated as a sequential file and all these previous contents will be deleted and the cursor will be or the file pointer will be at first place for fresh writing. So we should not do this. So we have to keep the contents as it is and we have to randomly write contents to any random position in this file. So we can do that with the random access file class. Let us try to write a code. Import the java.io package, class suppose cpy with main function. Now we have to create object of random access file class, suppose R, and in bracket we have to give the name of the file. So we are going to open abc.txt file with the random access mode and the mode of the operation is writing, so we have to use rw, that is read write both. Now it means abc.txt file will be open in the rw mode and it will be treated for random access and having name as r. Now we have to move the file pointer of this r using seek method and suppose I am giving the random position suppose 14. So at 14 place the file pointer should be moved and we should write the contents by using write bytes method and suppose I am giving message as I am good and I am displaying message on the screen after this operation that it is done and we will close the file r dot close. Main complete, class complete. Now let us save the cpy.java file. We will compile the code javac cpy.java, run the code java cpy. It is showing done, but let us go to the bin folder and check whether this abc.txt has been modified or not. We will open abc file. It has written the contents I am good from 14th position 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So after 14 it has written I am good message. So by this way we can use the random access file in Java. The seek method is used to move the file pointer. So in this session, we have seen about the two types of files in Java, sequential file and random access file. The seek method is used to move the file pointer to the any arbitrary position in the file. So see you in the next session. Thank you.